Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone. Now let's localize the smooth version section, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down in order to find additional settings. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down again and localize the developer options. Let's tap on them, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the power consumption or check the power consumption. We can show view updates, we can change the animator duration scale, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options connected with the Bluetooth, so overall to the networking, because we've got also USB options, Wi-Fi options, etc. So basically, if you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it. Basically it works the same just like in the regular settings. So let's tap on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course we can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here for example in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from, to customize. What is more, if you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off completely, you have to go to the very top of the list where you can find this switcher. So let's simply tap on it, and basically after getting back to the additional settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.